Good afternoon once again. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM Institutes. Our contact number is 76967 I'm doing another question of reading. Again, today we are discussing majorly about elimination method. So I'm just going to teach you about the elimination method thanks to study guide for OET IRS group. And we are using their sample paper to understand OET reading. And I hope it is beneficial for you. The manual promotes airborne precautions for the. So the question is about airborne precautions. So basically they say the manual promotes airborne precautions for means why do they want to promote, what is the purpose? So airborne precautions prevent transmission of infectious diseases. That is, the purpose is prevention of transmission of infectious diseases that are spread by the airborne droplets. That is the major thing, that airborne precautions are for the airborne antigens to prevent infectious diseases that remain infectious suspended in the air for the longer period of time. Then it says airborne precautions include this, HEPA filters, this, N95 mask. So we all know how to prevent these things. So these are the various steps which have been given as a part to prevent airborne precautions. So it's very simple. I have understood the topic. Now I will go to the options. The manual promotes airborne precautions for the use of an elaborate plan. Elaborate means explained, well explained, like detailed. So the manual promotes airborne precautions. Matlab this manual is promoting airborne precautions for the use of a detailed plan to prevent any infection. So this option is wrong because any word is eliminated. Any nahi, only airborne. So it is used as a detailed plan to prevent airborne infections. So any word is the one that helps me to eliminate this option. The manual promotes for the ease to monitor adherence of preventive method. This can be answered because adherence means comply. So if I have all these things written that I have to use the HEPA filter, I have to close the windows, I have the N95 mask. So it gives me an ease to monitor and to comply with the preventive methods. So it can be answered, but I cannot eliminate it for sure because I do not, again, this is a difficult option. So if you are unable to understand this option, put it on hold. So you have eliminated this option because of only this word you should know. Strength of protection against communicable sickness. It does not talk about strength anyhow. So again, this is eliminated. So what I have been left with is B again. And the B option anyhow was correct because this plan will help me to feel ease so that I can monitor and adhere to these preventive methods. So I can easily adhere means I can easily comply that I have to use HEPA filters. I have to use negative pressure ventilation. I have to close my window. So it would be easy for me to adhere by following these steps. So this is what B option is saying. Again, I would like to do this as my answer. This is what I say is elimination method. So again, this is Dr. Bhupesh again telling you about OET reading part B and part C. Thank you.